welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about where I or we live. Here you can see it is a picture of Earth. I have drawn this. So Earth is the third planet from the position of the Sun, and it is also known as the fifth largest planet in terms of size and mass. Now, our Earth is also known as a unique planet. Why it is called a unique planet? Already I have discussed it in my previous video. I am giving the link in my description box. You can check this. So, Earth is the only planet where we can live. In the Earth, you can see blue color is indicating the ocean portion and the green color is indicating the continents. Now, in which continent we are living, I am going to show you in the next map. So, check it. And this is our Asia. Asia is the Earth's largest and most populous continent, and it is located primarily in the eastern and northern hemisphere. And it shares the continental landmass of Eurasia. Now, what is Eurasia? Already I told you in my previous video. So, Asia is our continent where we live. Now, India. India is the country where we are living, and this is our India. I am going to show you in the next map. Now, in this Asia continent, our country is located in here. This is our India. I am going to show you in this map. So, it is our India. India is our country where we live. And India is the country, it is the second most populous country after China and seventh largest country by land area and the most populous democracy in the world. Coming to the next, in India, this is our West Bengal. It is the state. West Bengal is the state where we are living. I am showing this West Bengal in this broad map. So West Bengal is the state in the eastern India between the Himalayas, over these Himalayas and the Bay of Bengal. And it is the fourth most populous state and 14th largest state by area in India. After the state, here is our West Bengal state where we are living. In this state, we are living in Kolkata. Kolkata is our district. Now I am going to show you Kolkata in this map. So, here is our Kolkata. I am showing you this in here broadly. This is our Kolkata. Kolkata is our district where we are living. So West Bengal is our state, and in this Kolkata is our district. Kolkata is also the capital of West Bengal. Previously in India, Kolkata was the capital. It was India's capital under the British Raj from 1773 to 1911. After that, our India's capital changed into Delhi. Now coming to the location of the Kolkata. Kolkata is located on the eastern bank of the Hooghly River, and this city is approximately 80 kilometer west of the border of Bangladesh. Here is the Bangladesh. I am not showing it in this map. So it is our district where we live. So here is our country, that is India. In India, there is a state called West Bengal. This is the West Bengal state, and in West Bengal, it is the district Kolkata where we are living. Again, I am going to revise the whole thing what we have learned today. Firstly, planet. Earth is the planet where we are living. In the Earth, there is the largest continent called Asia. In Asia continent, we are living in a country that's name is India. In India, there is a state called West Bengal. In West Bengal, the district is Kolkata. In Kolkata district, I am living in Kolkata city. Now, this country, state, district and city may vary from people to people where they are living. So, here is the whole thing where I am living or where we are living. Hope you understand the whole thing. I am showing you in a very easy way and step by step through map.
If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment it. Thank you.